So we're now here in our temporary kitchen compound. One of the reasons why we have to have a temporary kitchen is because we just demoed the current kitchen that services all 87,000 people in Memorial Stadium. So for the next couple years anyway, we'll be operating out of this temporary kitchen. As you can see, it's a compound with really state-of-the-art kitchen appliances for our concessionaire area mark to really service and provide elite food and hospitality to all of our fans. So we'll take a peek. So again, as you come into the compound, you'll see a variety of different equipment. You've got convection ovens, you've got gas burners, you've got flat tops for grilling hamburgers, hot dogs, you name it. We've got fryers. All of these type things really keep us operational at a very, very high level and bringing you elite food products during game day and all of our hospitality events. So we have a total of 4 trailers. We've got a warewashing trailer, we've got a prep trailer, and then we've got an oven trailer, and again, just another one with all of our fryers and different things. We've got 8 different freezers and refrigeration units for a lot of our food products. Our partners On-Site Solution have been excellent through this process. Again, and we're really excited about the product that they brought us. Again, as you can see, some really, really elite ovens. You can put things in here, set the timer, really cook a lot of volume at any given time to make sure that, again, that we're providing the best customer service and best food offers we can. As you can see here, again, you've got all type of tilt skillets and all of the type of apparatuses that allow us to provide, again, 87,000 of the best fans in college football unique experiences. So Husker Nation, that concludes our review for today. This is the first of many. We really are excited about bringing to you, again, continued updates throughout the Big Red Rebuild project. And always, go Big Red.